The Resident Curator Program Turner Farm Open House is an opportunity for the public to come and tour the historic structures and tour the house. So the Turner Farmhouse was built in 1905. It's a Queen Anne style farmhouse. There are other historic structures on the property. It's located on a 52-acre parcel on the corner of Georgetown Pike and Springvale Road in Great Falls, Virginia. So the Turner Farmhouse includes the following features: a 2-story wood frame construction, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, multiple decks, a porch with delicate turn posts and brackets and Queen Anne spindle work, transoms above the original doors, wood floors and baseboards, and historic radiators. The Resident Curator Program is a chance for Fairfax County Park Authority to partner with individuals, nonprofits, and private organizations to rehabilitate and maintain our historic structures. So the long-term lease agreements are located in beautiful park settings throughout Fairfax County. The Curator leases are let without charge in exchange for the financial commitment and approved rehabilitation of the Park Authority's underutilized historic properties. For more information, please visit our webpage or call 703-324-9569.